everyone, my name is Issy and I'm also known as Issy. And you're watching the Issy Missy Show. So today we've got some really fun toy. It's a magic sand and I'm sure you'll surely love it. Okay, so here's our box of magic sand. Okay, here's a look at the front. Here's a look at the back. It has a little tray and three. It has a little tray and three toy knives. We have some molds here so we can make them with the sand. Here's the back. So Kid kind of made an emerald city with all the molds and the sand. Okay, so we have a pretty big tray here. Some sand, some more sand, here's some more sand, last but not least some more sand. Okay, so here are our knives. And here's our tray which we're going to put sand in. We have a green bag of sand, 2 bags of purple sand, and whatever this color bag is, just I don't know the name. Okay, so here are our sand colors. Oh, just now Mama told me this is the beach color sand. Zip away. Okay, now here are more. Let's just open these packets up and they're ready. Okay, now I'm going to choose one of the colors and put it in the tray. So which one do you guys think? I have 2 purple bags, 1 beach color sand bag, and 1 green sand. I think I should pick the purple bag. Okay, let's take I think we should take this mold. It has a few stairs on it and it's yellow color. It didn't come out so well, but it did come out pretty well. Wow, look at that. Now let's take another one and put it better. Okay, I'm taking the pyramid. It didn't come so well. Let's try that again. Okay, so let's put the other packet of this because there are a lot of molds here. Okay, first let's put the rocket ship. Orange and color rocket ship. It's time to move this stand. Okay, so here we have a train card. Oops, let's fill it with that. Whenever I pick it up, it just breaks. Okay, I guess now we're using this constructions vehicle. I've done many videos of this, of these construction vehicles. Okay, never mind about that. And now let's just put it. Oops! Put the stand in, not that stand. Yeah, an opposite, I guess. That's enough. Now tap on click set. I've been calm and it's breaking. First, let's fold the sand and all the molds we have here. It just came out on its own, but I don't want to take it up because I might break it then. So I'm going to just keep this over here so I don't put it on my plane. Well, I suppose I'll put it on it. First, we have this green piece. So we are left with just two more. Almost done. I'm going to take them out and build a city. And here is the last one. It's time for the magic with the magic stand. It's all done. Super exciting! Now let's make a scene. Okay, you can just put this one on top of this one. And you can put the pyramid on top of... Oh, we don't have that piece. Oh, I mean, we can put the pyramid on top of this one. Okay, so this is really great magic sand. I use a purple magic sand, but you can use whichever colors you get. The purple, green, whichever color. And you don't need to go to the beach to get this, to play with the sand. You can buy it, or if you have it. Okay, so you can buy this sand online or on your toy store. But if you have it, really lucky, like me. Okay, so I think I should play with this. It's time to say bye. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the Issy Missy Show. Bye, and I'll be back soon. Through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, giggling all the way. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what makes fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, celebrate Anna's birthday. But maybe Olaf's a little bit clumsy because he's off today. Okay, so let's open the box and see what we got. So basically Olaf is here on the cardboard, and here we have Christoph painting Happy Birthday Anna, and here Olaf's playing with all the little snowmans. So we have the little snowman's model, we have Elsa and Anna, and the birthday cake model. Here we have our sand, dark blue sand and yellow sand with white sand, and also on the box they show that there's no green sand for the leaf, so make blue and little bit blue and yellow to make the green. So here we have our rocks to build on, and there's the instructions I just read. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this up. Okay, so here we have one bag. Oh, and in this bag also we have our sunflower model and also our leaf model. Here we also have the snowflakes model right over here. Okay, so let's get opening these bags and start celebrating. That has 4 layers. Oh, and it has some decorations too. I don't know if they'll appear because I don't press that. Here we have our tiny snowman mold. When Elsa sneezes, they appear. Here we have our molds for the sunflower and leaf for Anna's birthday cake. Here we have Anna happily holding some flowers. Oh, look at her teeny tiny feet. She doesn't stand up like that. Also, we can make footprints with Anna here. We can make snowflakes with Elsa here. And here she is in a different kind of dress, a green colored dress. Okay, I gotta figure out how she does the magic. Oh, here they are. Here we have our white colored sand. This stuff. Okay. Oh yeah. Happy birthday, Papa. Okay, so I am going to mix a little bit yellow with a little bit blue so we can mix green for the leaves. Okay, so let's put snow. Let's spread the snow around. Monopoly. It's a frozen Monopoly. So you can't just say I want to buy it, you have to buy it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this cake. Wow, that's a nice looking cake. Okay, now I'm gonna press it like this with the mouse. Yeah, let's put some flowers. You can see this one. There's another one and put it on top of the cake. Let's make a few more. Okay, let's try to make the next one stand up. Okay, so here's Elsa and Anna enjoying Anna's birthday. So bye, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the